Welcome to my MB podcast, your own personal podcast. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of language learning with aivoca, your AI-powered language tutor. Exciting stuff! aivoca sounds like a game changer for anyone looking to master a new language. Can you tell us how it works? Sure, aivoca provides real-time conversation practice. You simply pick your target language, speak, and voila! You get instant feedback on pronunciation, grammar, and vocabulary. How cool is that? Very cool. It's like having a personal tutor available 24/7. But does it cater to different skill levels? Absolutely. Whether you're a newbie or just refreshing a second language, aivoca adapts to your level. It's designed to make learning immersive and interactive, perfect for anyone wanting to boost fluency quickly. And it covers a variety of languages like Spanish, French, German, Chinese, Japanese, and more. How convenient for language enthusiasts or even travelers. Absolutely, it's perfect for anyone ready to elevate your language skills. Start speaking with aivoca today. Check them out at aivoca.vercel.app. This is fantastic. Thanks for tuning in, everyone. Until next time, keep learning and exploring. Goodbye from my MB podcast. Have a great day and happy learning. Bye-bye.